Question 5. A stone fell from the height of 81 meters above the ground. So this is 81 meters above ground. The height of stone h meters after t seconds is assumed to be this function. So this is the height and the t is the number of seconds. State the height of stone when t is 1/3. Okay, so if you want to find the height when t is 1/3, you can put h1/3. So this will become 81 minus 9, 1/3 square. Let's take out our calculator. Just type this in. 81 minus 9, 1/3 square. We get 80 meters. So after 1/3 second, the height is 80 meters. Okay, from 81 it becomes 80. Okay, then let's see what happens after 1 second. So h1 is 81 minus 9 times 1 square. So 81 minus 9, 1 square is just 1. So we get 72 meters. So after 1 second, it has reduced in height because it's falling down. Let's see what happens after 2 seconds. Again, you just type this in. We get 45 meters. Alright. That's A. Then B, they're asking us to find when will the stone hit the ground. So when it hits the ground, that means the distance will be 0 meters. So your height will be 0. So we put 0 as our h. We can find the time. Okay, our ht, our height, will become 0 lah. Okay, so we make t the subject here, so we bring 90 square equals to 81. T square is 81/9. Therefore t square is 9. Therefore t is plus minus 3. Okay, the square root of 9 is plus minus 3, but of course time cannot be negative. Therefore time is 3 seconds. So after 3 seconds, the stone will hit the floor. It will hit the ground now. Okay, if you want to double check. Okay, so after 3 seconds, 81 minus 9 times 3 square, the height is 0, which confirms lah. That's all.